Alright, today we're going to be showing everyone here how to break into the SpeedVault by GunVault. I've misplaced my keys and let the battery die on this one, so I need to find a way to get into it. And what I've chose to do today is I'm just going to use a wall anchor that I've cut that lip off there. Just used a pocket knife and cut the end off there. I've also seen this done with a back end of one of those cheap Bic pens, but all you're going to do is put that in there, wedge it in there, twist, there you go. You gotta get it in there just right. You'll feel it kind of lock in place, and there you go. And that's how you get into your SpeedVault.